Good morning. How are you, people?
Morning, teacher.
Morning. Me, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. All right. Wake up, wake up. Morning, morning. Go get your coffee.
Morning.
Morning. All right, we're going to start with today's session. All right, we're going to start with today's objective. Now, help me read today's session's objective. Repeat with me. Participants role play.
Participants
role play.
A conversation.
A conversation.
Conversation.
Talking about places. Talking
About places.
There are in the city.
There are in the city.
Okay. Remember, we saw there are in yesterday, right? We studied there are in yesterday's class. There is and there are. Okay, but we're going to continue with an activity, okay? So, I'm going to show you. Okay. So, plural of nouns, okay? We have the rules over here, okay? Now, to most nouns, we only add an S, right? Yes? Now, the ones that end in S, SH, CH, X, or O, we add, what do we add?
ES.
There you go. Now, nouns ending, this should be a D, okay, ending in Y, after a consonant, we drop the Y and add I.
Yes.
S. Very good. Now, some nouns ending in F or FE, we drop. Yes, we drop the F or the FE, and we add V, E, S. Right? Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay. What's the plural of a boy? What's the plural of a boy? Option number 1, number 2, or number 3?
One.
Number 1?
Number one.
Yes, it's number 1. So we say singular, a boy.
A boy.
And plural?
Boys.
Boys, right? Very good. Okay. Next. This one is, what is the plural of kids? Kids. Repeat with me. Kids. Kids.
Kids.
Kids. Kids. This sound is short. Kids. Kids.
Kids.
A kid. A kid. Singular.
Kid.
Plural? What's the plural form of a kid?
3 options.
Option number?
3.
Option number
3.
3.
Okay, let's check. Yes, we say kisses. 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 Repeat. Kisses. Okay. 1, 2, kisses. Repeat. Kisses.
Kisses.
Jesus.
Yes. Okay. What's the plural of a baby? A baby. What's the plural form?
Option number 2.
Number 2? Okay. Are you ready? Are you sure?
1.
1? What's the rule?
Now.
Okay.
Option 2.
David says option number 2. Okay.
Yes. Number 2.
Number 2, number 3. Let's see.
2.
2. All right. It's number 2. You see? It finishes in Y, and there is a consonant before the Y. You see, there is this consonant. So we eliminate the Y and we add I.
I-E-S.
Okay, so singular, repeat with me. A baby.
A baby.
Baby.
Babies. Baby.
Baby.
Babies.
There you go. Very good. Let's continue. Okay. What's the plural form? What's the plural form of a shelf? A shelf. What's the plural form of a shelf?
2.
Option number 2.
Option number 2.
Option number 2, you say. Let's check. There you go. We say shelves. Shelves. Repeat. Shelves. Shelves. Very good. There you go. Okay, morning, morning. Don't forget to open your cameras. All right. So, what's the plural of a potato? A potato.
Option number 3.
Number 3, you say. Okay. What about everybody else?
No. 2.
Number 2. Okay. What happens? What happens when it finishes in O?
Option 1.
Option number 1. Are you sure?
Yes.
Go
No.
back.
Option number 1.
Let's go back to the beginning.
Number 3.
Look, check the rule. It finishes in O. We have, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options. Okay, so we're going to apply the rule of option number.
1.
This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3, and this is number 4. Potato finishes in what letter? It finishes in O, right?
Oh.
So, what do we do when it finishes in O?
Yes.
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 Oh, okay.
Yes.
So, let's go back to where we were. Okay, so, a potato, right? So, yes, potatoes.
Potatoes.
Potatoes. We have an O over here,
Option
and
number
there is
3.
yes. Option number 3. Look, there is a consonant. There is a consonant before the O. So potatoes. Do you remember from the video? It says this information. Yes. Okay. Now, let's continue. What's the plural of a watch? Repeat. A watch.
A watch.
A watch.
Okay. What's the plural form of a watch?
Option 1.
Watches.
Option 1. Watches. There you go. Watches. Watches. Repeat with me. Watches.
Watches.
Yes. No fear when you say watches. Yes, we have to make it sound. Watches. Watches.
Watches.
Yes. Option number 1. Okay. So, do you have watches? Do you have watches? Yes or no? I have one only. Okay, very good. Good. All right. Next one. What is the plural of a book? Repeat with me. A book.
A book.
Okay, a book. Now, what's the plural form?
Option number 1. Books.
Option number 1. There you go. Let's see. Okay. Yes, you got it right. Books. Books. Repeat. Books.
Books.
Okay, good practice. Very good exercise. Okay, now we're going to continue learning some new vocabulary. Remember, it's good to take notes, okay? Notes help you memorize the vocabulary later when the class finishes, okay? So take notes. Now, we're going to watch, one second, the videos that are in the material for this week's class. Let's see, this week's classes, semana 4, right? So, okay, so we go here to semana 4, class material. Now, this is yesterday's video. Okay, so today's videos, Places in town. Repeat with me. Places in town.
Places in town.
Okay,
Place in town.
here we go.
Hi, this is Mark, and this is...
Can you listen? Can you listen? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, you repeat after me, okay? So here we go.
Basic vocabulary practice. Places around town. Set 1. Okay, let's practice.
Okay, so
An airport.
listen.
An
In
airport.
airport.
There you go. 3, 2, 1. And air.
Airport.
Air. Airport.
Airport.
Remember, the I doesn't sound. Listen to Mark pronounce the word.
An airport.
Okay, one more time. Air.
Airport.
Like when we're going to say Ernesto. Airport.
Airport.
There you go. It's the same sound. Very good.
Amusement park.
Okay. An amusement park. Repeat with me.
An amusement park.
Amusement park.
An amusement park. One more time.
Amusement park.
This is like Campo de la Feria. In Metrocentro, they have an amusement park over there. Yes. Let's see. Don Rua, in the past, it was Don Rua's amusement park for the fairs.
An apartment.
Okay. An apartment. Repeat. An apartment.
An apartment.
Apartment.
Okay. An apartment. An apartment. Take your notes. Take your notes. An apartment.
An apartment.
Okay. Let's continue.
A bakery.
A bakery. A bakery.
Bakery.
Give me an example of a bakery. Give me the name of a bakery that you know. What is a, sorry?
Rosario.
El Rosario, yes. Yes, El Rosario Bakery. Very good. A bakery. A bank. Listen.
A bank.
Yes.
A bank.
A bank. Very good.
A bank.
Yes, perfect.
A barber shop.
A barber shop. Repeat with me. A barber shop.
Barber shop.
A barber shop.
A barber shop.
Yes.
A beach.
A beach. A beach. A beach.
A beach.
Yes. This one is CH.
Beach.
Listen.
Beach.
A beach. A beach. El sonido de la E y la A son alargados. A beach. A beach.
Beach.
There you go.
Beach.
There you go. Very good.
A bookstore.
A bookstore. A book. Okay. A bookstore. Very good. Repeat with me. A bookstore.
A bookstore.
Store.
Okay. Examples of bookstores. I'm going to give you one. La Ceiba bookstore. La Ceiba is a bookstore. Okay. Do you know other bookstores in El Salvador?
Bautista, Librería Bautista.
Okay. Yeah, that is Bautista. I think it's, I don't know it. They sell books over there. Do they
Yeah.
sell books? Okay, so
Yeah.
yes, it's a bookstore. Very good.
A skyscraper.
Okay, a skyscraper. Repeat with me. A skyscraper.
Skyscraper.
A skyscraper. Okay, what's a skyscraper? Un rascacielos. A skyscraper. Okay, a skyscraper. All right. Very good.
Bus stop.
There you go. Repeat with me. A bus
Bus
stop.
stop.
A bus stop.
Bus stop.
Bus stop.
A bus stop. Bus stop.
Bus stop.
There you go.
Stop.
An ATM machine.
Okay, an ATM.
An ATM machine.
ATM.
Yes, an ATM to get your money, to get your cash, right? An ATM machine.
Machine.
Okay, in this case, CH sounds like machine, machine. Okay,
Machine.
yes. And thank you. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Let's see. Give me examples. Give me examples of the vocabulary in the video.
Teacher,
Tell me.
en la traducción de este último, an ATM machine,
Yes.
¿es un cajero o el cajero?
Un.
Un
Or
cajero.
an. In this case, we say an. An ATM machine. So it's like saying one, right?
Okay, thank
Yes.
you.
Okay, give me examples from places in the video. Examples. Jorge, one example. Okay, an airport. Very good, Hector. Jorge?
Skyscraper.
Craper. One more time. Craper.
A bank.
There you go. Any other?
A bank.
There you go. Very good. Javier, example of a place.
Amusement park.
An amusement. One more time. An
Amusement.
amusement park. There you go. Okay. Ruben, one example.
ATM machine.
An ATM machine. Okay. Christian. Unmute.
A marker.
A market was not in the video, but it's a good example. Very good, very good. He's very smart. Okay. Any other places?
A beach.
Ah, yes. El Rosario what? El Rosario?
Bakery.
Okay, very good. Okay, good examples. Okay, we're going to watch another video. So be alert because I'm going to ask you about them. Okay, let's see. Here in class material, the second video. Here we go.
Hi, this is Mark, and this is basic vocabulary practice. Places.
Okay.
A cafe.
A cafe. Repeat with me. A cafe.
A cafe.
A cafe. Okay.
A cinema.
A cinema. Repeat. A cinema.
A cinema.
Cinema.
Cinema. Like Cinepolis, Cinemark.
Coffee shop.
A coffee shop. A coffee shop.
A coffee shop.
Okay,
Coffee
a coffee
shop.
shop. Examples of
A
a
coffee
coffee
shop.
shop. Starbucks. Starbucks is a coffee shop. Okay. Juan Valdez is a coffee shop.
Y a coffee, teacher?
A cafe is, the difference is that a cafe is is like a restaurant and they sell coffee. In a cafe, the important thing is food. Food. In a coffee shop, the important thing is coffee. Okay.
Okay.
So, for
Okay.
example, a cafe can be San Martin. San Martin can be a cafe. They give you food and coffee. But if you go to Starbucks, the important thing is coffee, right? Coffee, coffee, coffee. All right?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Introduction.
A convenience
A
store.
cafe.
A cafe is a cafe.
Cafetería.
Similar to a cafeteria, yes. We could say that. But a cafe is what we know as a cafe here in Spanish. Yes? Are we okay?
Yes.
Okay. Let's continue.
A convenience store.
A convenience store.
Convenience store.
Okay, repeat with me. A convenience store.
A convenience store.
You see, a convenience store is open 24 hours. 24 hours is always open, you see.
A dental office.
Okay, repeat. A dental office. A dental office.
A dental
A dental office.
Okay.
A toy store.
A toy store. What is? Repeat with me. A toy store.
A toy store.
Do we have toy stores in El Salvador?
Juguetón.
Yes. Very good. Very good.
A department store.
Repeat with me. A department store. A department store.
A department store.
Okay.
A department store.
Sure.
A doctor's office.
Question, question?
The department store mall.
It's like Sears or like Siman.
Okay.
Siman, Sears, Sanborns. They sell different products. They sell clothes, candies. They sell shoes. They sell furniture, muebles, furniture. Okay. Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Doctor's office.
Okay, a doctor's office. A doctor's office. A doctor's office is like un consultorio del doctor, right? A doctor's office. Okay. Now, this one.
A dry cleaner.
Okay, repeat with me. A dry cleaners.
A dry cleaner.
A dry cleaning.
A dry cleaners.
Cleaners.
A dry cleaners.
Very good, very good.
A fast food restaurant.
Okay, a fast food.
A fast food restaurant.
Okay, A-U sounds like, oh, restaurant, restaurant. Okay, repeat with me. A fast food restaurant. A fast food restaurant. Very good. Give me examples of fast food restaurants. McDonald's. Any other?
Donde la Juanita.
Could be. If she said, look, they sell burgers, pizza, soda, mac and cheese. Okay. So we can have Taco Bell, Burger King, and also those small restaurants like Frenchies, Calachos. I don't know if you know them. Okay, so they are restaurants.
A fire station.
Okay, a fire station. Repeat with me. A fire station.
Fire station.
There you go. Okay. And we're done. Okay, examples of places from the video. Examples. Give me examples.
A cinema.
A cinema, yes. A cafe.
Yes.
Dry cleaners.
Anything else?
A dental office.
Yes, very good. More places?
A
coffee shop.
Department store.
Yes, very good. Okay, the last video. Okay, the last video. Okay, here we go.
Hi, this is Mark, and this is basic vocabulary practice. Places around town. Set
Okay, here we go.
a gas station.
Repeat with me. A gas station. A gas station.
A station.
A gas station.
Gas station.
A gift shop.
A gift shop. A gift
gift
shop.
shop.
Gift shop.
Do you know gift shops?
Oops.
Yes.
Oops.
Oops, right? Oops. Sandy's gift shop in Galerías. Do you know it? It's a good place to go to.
Genesis.
Well, Genesis is a different place. But yeah, you can buy gifts over there. Okay, repeat. A hair salon. A hair salon.
Hair salon.
Okay, a hair salon. Okay, very good.
A hospital.
Very good. A hospital. A hospital.
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 Very good. This H sounds like H-O sounds like hospital. Hospital.
Hospital.
Very good.
A hotel.
A hotel. Repeat. A hotel.
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 A hotel.
Oh.
An ice cream shop.
Very good. An ice cream shop. An ice cream shop.
Ice cream shop.
Examples of ice cream shops.
Sarita.
Very good. Very good.
La Boston.
Yes.
Carretoncito.
Yes, that's another one. Well, that's a cart. Very good.
A DVD rental.
Okay, let's continue.
Office.
An office. Repeat. An office.
An office.
In office.
An information counter.
Okay. An information counter over here. An information
Information.
counter.
Information counter.
Okay. This is when you go to a place and you want information. An information counter. Okay.
A library.
Okay. A library. A library.
A library.
A library. Okay.
Library.
What is a library? A library is a place where you go read books. Only read. Not buy the books. No. Only read books and you leave the book back in its place. That's it. Una biblioteca, a library. Okay, that is a library. All right, give me examples of places from this video. Examples.
A gas station.
gift shop, a hair salon,
Very good. A hair salon. Hair salon.
hair salon,
Salon.
hospital,
Hospital.
Very good examples. Very good. Okay. Very good. Now, I'm going to show you a picture. Give me 1 second. Okay, look at this city map. Okay, this is a map. M-A-P, a map. Okay, look. There are places in this map. Okay, to talk about the places in this map, we're going to say there is and there are. I'm sending you messages to the chat. Okay, for example, I'm going to give you one example. So, in the city, there is a parking lot. There is a parking lot. Yes? Okay. Because there is only one. Bless you. Okay. Oh no. Well, there are two. There are two parking lots. Look. 1, 2. Yes? So there are two parking lots. Okay. Now, we have singular nouns too. For example, there is a payphone. There is a payphone over here. Do you see it? Yes? It's singular. Okay. Now, give me examples. Give me examples. Let's see. Do we have volunteers or victims for the examples?
They are a bank.
Okay. Only one? Only one bank or two?
Two.
Okay. So we say there are. Repeat. There are.
Bank.
Bank.
Banks. Two banks.
Bank.
One more time. There are.
There are two banks.
Two banks. Banks. Plural, right? Okay. Very good example. Another example?
There is a swimming pool.
Ah, there is, right? Only one. Perfect. Okay. More examples.
there is a drugstore,
There you go. What is another word for a drugstore? Do you know other words? Another word? We can also say a pharmacy, a pharmacy. So, pharmacy or drugstore. Repeat with me. Pharmacy
Pharmacy.
or drugstore. Drugstore. Very good. Okay. More examples.
There are two restaurants.
Yes, very good. We have a Chinese restaurant and we have an Italian restaurant. Two restaurants. Very good. Anything else? We have more places.
There is bus stop.
Okay. For bus stop, we say a or an. Okay, one more time. There is
a bus stop.
Bus stop. Very good. Anything else?
There is a swimming pool.
Okay, very good. Yes. Anything else?
There is a travel agent.
Yes, a travel agent. A travel agent. Anything else?
there is a music store,
A music store.
Very good. A music store. Very good. More places? More places?
There is a mailbox.
Yes, there is a mailbox. It's true.
there is a bus stop,
Yes, very good. Anything else?
there is a newsstand,
Yes, a newsstand. Very good. Look, the movie theater, repeat, the movie theater,
The movie theater.
theater
Movie theater.
is
Yeah.
like cinema, the cinema or the movie theater, they're the same. Are we okay? Yes? Okay. More places to go? No? No more places?
Mailbox.
A mailbox. Okay, very good. Good examples. Okay, now we're going to role play a conversation. Okay, you repeat after me. Okay, repeat after me. Hi, excuse
Hi.
me. Mhm.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Hi.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Hi. Excuse me.
I'm new in the neighborhood. I'm new in the neighborhood.
I'm
new
new
in the
in the
neighborhood.
neighborhood.
Yes, neighborhood.
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 Okay, I'm going to send you a message on how to pronounce it. We say ooh, give me a second. Okay, we say neighborhood. Repeat with me. Neighborhood.
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 Okay, very good. Okay, so neighborhood.
Vecindario.
Oh,
Okay, is there an ATM around here? Is there an ATM around here?
Is there an ATM around
Is
here?
there
An
ATM
ATM
around
around
here?
here? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Yes,
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 there is.
there is.
Is
there is one. There is one
There is one
one
next to the drugstore. Next to the
next
Next to
drugstore.
the
next to the
drugstore.
drugstore.
Great, great.
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 And is there any public restroom near here? And
And
is there
and
Is there any
there
public
any
restroom
public
near here?
restaurant near
near here? Yes, there is. Yes, there is.
Yes, there
Yes,
is.
there
Yes,
is.
there is.
There is one next to the Chinese restaurant. There is one.
There is one
to
next
the
to the
Chinese
Chinese
restaurant.
restaurant.
Restaurant. Okay. Question for you. What questions are in this conversation? What are the questions in the conversation?
Ubication.
Okay, very good. We say location. Location.
Location.
Yes, location. Very good. I'm sending you messages. Okay, so location. Now, what are the questions in the conversation?
Is there an ATM
Very
around
good.
here?
Very good. This is the first one, right? Around here. Okay. So this is the first one. Well, give me 1 second. Okay, so question form. Is there an ATM? Very good. Let's go back to the conversation. Do you see other questions?
is there any
There
public
is
restroom? Is there any public
one.
restroom near her?
Very good. This is the other question. Good, good, good. Okay. Now, what answers do we have? What answers do we have? Answers? Answers?
Yes, there is.
There is
One next to
there is one
the
There is
drugstore.
one next to drugstore.
Next to the drugstore. Okay. And another one?
Yes, there is. There is one next to the Chinese restaurant.
The Chinese. One more time. The Chinese.
The Chinese.
Chinese restaurant.
Okay. Look. So we're studying. We're studying. There is and there are, right? Yes. Okay. Now, this is the question form. And this is the answers, the answer form, or we can also call it the sentence form. Okay, now look. One more time. Okay, now for questions, look. In a question, we say, is there? Repeat with me. Is there?
Is there?
Okay.
Is there?
When I say is there, it's singular. Singular. Is there? You see, this is a question. Is there? Okay. Look, question form. Is there? Repeat. Is there?
Is there?
Is there? Okay. Any in Spanish is algún, right? Is there any public restroom near here? Cerca de aquí, near here? Okay. So, question form. If I want to have a plural question, how do I start?
Are there?
Yes. Are there? This is plural. Are there? Okay. And I can say any again. Algunos, right? In plural. Are there any? Are there any? Give me the name of a place.
There.
Italy.
Sorry?
Are there
Bank.
any
Okay, banks. Okay, plural, right? I have to say it in the plural form because I'm saying are, right? Yes? Okay, repeat with me. Are there any banks in the city? Repeat.
Are there any banks in the city?
Are there any banks in the city?
Okay, let's write another question in the plural form. We start with verb to be. Plural question, plural question.
Are there?
Are there?
Are there?
Gas station.
Okay. Any gas? Plural form?
Station.
Stations. Repeat. Are there any gas stations?
Are there any gas
Any
stations?
station.
In the town or in the city? In the city? Okay. Now, look. This is the question form. For the question form, verb to be goes first. Yes? Now, for the answers, we always say yes or no. So, yes. Singular form?
Yes, there is.
Okay, yes, there is.
There is.
Singular positive form? Yes, there is. Yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is. Okay. Now, if for an answer, I want to have a plural, an answer for a plural question, I'm
Yes,
going to
there
say,
are.
yes, very good.
There are.
There are. Okay. I can say there are two in the city. Repeat with me. There are two in the city. There are.
There are.
There are.
Two in the city.
Two in the city. Are we okay? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now, let's practice. I am going to ask you, is there, are there? And you in the answer, you're going to say, yes, there is. You're going to say, okay. One second. Okay. This is for a positive answer, right? For a negative answer, we say no, singular form. No.
No, they are not.
No.
There is no.
No, there isn't. No, there
No, there
isn't.
isn't.
Or,
No, there isn't.
or no,
There is
there,
not.
plural. Plural form,
Aren't.
there aren't. Okay. So, singular form, no, there isn't. No, there isn't. Repeat with me. No, there isn't.
There isn't.
No,
there
there
isn't.
Or
No,
no, there aren't.
no, there are.
No, there
No.
aren't.
there aren't.
Are we ready? Yes?
Yes.
Take your note.
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. Okay. Now, can you see my screen?
Mhm.
Yes. ¿Pueden ver la pantalla?
Yes.
El
Yes.
mapa. Oh, okay. Right.
Yes.
So, Anna, is there a swimming pool in the city? Is there a swimming pool?
Yes, there is.
Okay, very good, very good. Hector, is there a Chinese restaurant in the city?
Yes, there is.
Okay, very good. Let's see. Fabricio, is there a gas station in the city?
Station. No, there isn't.
Awesome, very good. Christian Lopez, is there an airport? Is there an airport in the city?
No, there isn't.
Okay, very good. Let's see. Jorge, is there a post office in the city?
Yes, there is.
Okay. Mr. Condry, is there a music store in the city? Unmute your microphone. Are you
Yes,
there?
yes, there is.
Okay, very good, very good. Let's see. Fernando, is there a bakery in the city? Is there a bakery in the city?
No.
Okay,
There
but,
is.
no, there isn't. One more time. No?
No, there isn't.
Very good, very good. Okay, let's see. Javier, is there a payphone in the city? Is there a payphone in the city?
No, there isn't.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, there is.
Okay, very good. So, questions so far. Do you have questions?
I know.
No? No? Piece of cake, right? Okay, next activity.
No.
No, please. No more. No, just kidding, right? Okay, now, take a look at this image. Look.
Wow.
Look. In, repeat with me. In, on, under, next to, behind, in front of, between. Okay, one more time. In, on, under, next to,
Next
Next
to.
to.
behind,
Behind.
in front of,
In
Front of.
between,
Between.
between. Okay, now we're going to write sentences. Okay, image number 1, we have a ball and a box. Repeat, a ball,
A ball.
a box. Image number 1, the ball. Repeat with me, the ball. Verb to be, the verb to be is or are?
Is.
Is.
Okay, what's the word?
Is.
Check your messages. The
In
ball.
the box. The
Uh-huh.
ball is in the box. The ball is in
In
the
the
box.
box. In the box. Image number 2. Help me make the sentence. The ball.
Ball
The ball
Uh-huh.
is
on the box.
It's on the box. Okay. The ball is on the box. Okay. Number 3.
The ball
Mhm.
is on
The box.
Awesome. Image number 4.
The ball
next
is next to
It's next to
the
the
box.
is next to the box. Singular, right? Singular. Okay. Image number 5. Okay.
The ball
Is
behind
Behind the bus.
behind the box.
The
The
box.
box. Only behind. Behind the box. Yes? Behind the box. Behind, like this. Behind the box. Okay. Next. The ball
The ball
is
is
in
front
front of,
the box.
From out the box.
in front of. You see? In front of the box. Okay. And the last one. The ball
the ball
is
is between the box.
the
Boxes.
the boxes, right? They are 2. The boxes. Very good. Awesome. Very good. Easy, right? Easy. Yes? Yes. Are you sure? Yes? Okay. Yes? Okay. Let's check. No. Please, teacher. No. Are you ready? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So, here we go. Okay. So, we're going to practice. Okay. Now. Okay. Can you see the map again? Yes? ¿Pueden verlo?
Yes.
Me sale raro en la pantallita aquí. Okay. All right. So, for example, I'm going to give you one example. Okay. The Chinese restaurant, repeat with me. The Chinese restaurant
Chinese restaurant
is
Between
between
the bank
and
and bookstore.
the bookstore. The bookstore. For all the places, we're going to say the. Cuando decimos da, estamos diciendo el, the. For example, one more time. The Chinese restaurant is between the bank and the bookstore. Okay. Okay, very good. Now, for example, the Italian restaurant, repeat with me. The Italian restaurant is
It's next to
what?
Is next to
The
post office.
Okay. Look, this is the grocery store, yes? Okay. And the swimming pool is like this. So, the swimming pool
is behind The grocery store.
Okay, perfect. Okay, very good. Very good. Questions? Questions? Look, the cars, repeat, the cars.
The cars.
3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, the cars. What goes next? Are, repeat, are.
Are in the parking lot.
One more time. The cars. The cars.
Cars
Plural.
in
Verb to be, verb to be. The cars.
cars
Are, right? Are
in the parking lot.
the parking lot, right? Yes?
The parking lot.
Yes? Okay. Let's go back to our conversation. Remember this conversation? You see? The person says, hi, is there an ATM around here, cerca de aquí, alrededor? And the person says, yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
En esta parte, la persona dice, sí, sí hay. Ok, good. Pero aquí quiere ser más específico. And the person says, repeat with me. There is one.
There is one.
There is one.
There
Next
is
to.
one.
There is one.
Next to the
Next to the drugstore.
drugstore. Ah, good, good. Okay. Next question. And is there any public restroom here? And the person says, yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
Sí, sí hay. Okay. Ah, the person wants to be more specific. There is one. Repeat. There is one. Next to the Chinese restaurant.
Next to the
Next
Chinese
to the
restaurant.
Chinese restaurant.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, always, right? Okay. Now, I'm going to have three people ask me a question about the map. Okay, let's see. Christian Lopez, give me a number from 1 to 10.
One number.
Yes, number.
7.
7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anna. Okay, Anna. Ask me a question using is there or are there?
Is there grocery store?
Oh, yes, there is. There is one behind the movie theater. You see? There is one behind the movie theater. Very good. Okay, Anna, give me a number from 1 to 10.
9.
9. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hugo. Okay, Hugo, ask me a question using is there or are there?
Are there restaurants in the city?
Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There is a Chinese restaurant and there is an Italian restaurant. Hugo, give me another number from 1 to 13.
3.
Jorge, ask me a question. Okay, ask me a question.
There a swimming pool in the city?
Yes, there is. There is one swimming pool behind the grocery store. Okay, Jorge, give me a number from 5 to 13.
5.
5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hector, ask me a question using is there or are there?
Are there a grocery store?
Grocery stores? One more time. Grocery stores?
Store?
Yes, there are 2 grocery stores. Very good. Good. Are we okay? Do you have questions? No? No questions so far? Okay, let's get down to business. What are you going to do? Instructions for the next activity. Okay, instructions. Okay. Repeat with me. Prepare
Prepare.
a conversation. Okay.
Conversation.
Using
Using.
is there
After.
or
Or.
are there. Okay, are
there.
there. Okay. Use places in town. Okay, repeat. Use places in town.
Places in town.
And prepositions. Repeat with me. Prepositions
And prepositions.
of place.
Place.
For example, prepositions of place. Between.
And
Any other?
near.
Very good. Very good. Near. Near.
Behind.
Between. Next to. Near. All right. Very good. Now, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes? Here we go. Here we go. We're going to work in pairs this time. So, we're going to have 6 groups. Here we go. You can take this conversation as an example. Give me 1 second. Okay. This can be your example. I'm going to send you a picture of the conversation right now. Okay. Now, here we go.
¿Sí? Hello, Ana.
Yo te voy a responder. Hello, Javier.
El how are you siempre. How are you?
Sí. How are you? O saludando. Good morning, digamos.
Ajá.
Good
¿Qué más? ¿Qué
morning.
más?
Porque vos vas a hacer como que no me conoces y vas a pedirme una dirección.
Ajá.
Entonces, y me decís, excuse me, disculpe.
Ajá.
Excuse me. Y de ahí me vas a decir, is there, ¿qué podemos preguntar? ¿Por qué lugar?
Quiero ver. Un branco. Are there
Is there,
are there or is
no sé cómo sea.
there a bank
A bank.
in the city? The city.
A bank?
A bank in the city.
Let's see.
Y contestaría el otro, yes, va.
Music store. Yes. Yes,
There
there is.
Y tendría que ser
Uh-huh.
between
Is
sería.
There is a bookstore. There is a bookstore. Is to next to Chinese restaurant.
Chinese restaurant.
Chinese restaurant. Next to Chinese restaurant.
Oh, great. And I go to buy the book in my car. Is there a parking lot in the city?
Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There are a parking lot and there are a parking lot next to movie theater. There is a parking next to grocery store.
Is there a post office?
¿Cómo?
A post office.
Post office. Is there post office?
A music store
Ajá.
y a bank. Va.
And a bank.
Ajá.
Y te digo dónde estaba.
Ajá, y la
Yes, there is.
ubicación.
Ajá, yes, there is. The movie theater.
From to
No sería
grocery
next to.
store.
No, ahí sería next to the parking lot.
Next to. Mm, Espérame. Quiero ver.
Teacher,
Hi, how can I help you?
how do you say el primero y el segundo.
You say the first and the second. The first one, para decir como, digamos que hay dos restaurantes. Y usted dice el primero y el segundo, ¿verdad? Okay.
Yes, yes.
So you're going to say the first one, and
First
the second one, the second one. The second one.
Gracias.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, Javi. Sería the first one that is
There is
next to.
next to Chinese restaurant.
Restaurant, yes. And the second one there is near music store.
Y ahí terminamos.
Ajá, dime gracias y goodbye.
Va.
O hacemos otra pregunta.
Okay, we're back on the main session. Everyone's back. Okay, we're going to start checking your conversations. The first group to go is Fabricio and Ruben Garcia. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hello, excuse me. Is there a music store?
Yes, there is. There is one between music stand and the bank.
Ah, great. Is there a post offices?
Yes, there is. There is one next to the Italian restaurant.
Good. Is there any gas station?
No, there isn't.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye. Finish.
Very good job. Very good. Okay, just 2 observations. Pronunciation. Is there a post office? One more time. Is there a post office?
There
There
are
a post office.
there are post
And the next one?
office.
Is there any gas station? Is there any gas station?
Gas station?
Okay. Any, remember, what's any? Any.
Cualquiera.
Any is algún o alguno.
Alguno.
It's singular and it's plural. So, algún, algunas, alguna, algunos. In English, just one word. It's very easy. Okay, very good. Very good job. Very good. Now, let's see who goes next. We're going to have Christian Fuentes and Hector. 3, 2, 1, action.
Okay. Hi.
Hi, Christian.
Hector, I am new in the city and I need to buy a book. Is there a bookstore in the city?
Yes, there is. And the bookstore is next to Chinese restaurant.
Okay, but I go to bookstore in my car. Are there any parking lot in the city?
Yes, there are. There is parking next to movie theater. There is a parking next to grocery stores, and there is parking next to travel agent.
Okay, Hector, have a good one.
Bye.
Good job. Good job. Very good. Very good. Very good. So just to add to the word parking, parking lot, parking lot. Okay. Great. That's great. Okay. Very good. Let's see. Next group is David and Hugo. Go ahead.
Okay. Hello, David. How are you?
I'm fine, Hugo.
Okay. David, I am hungry. Is there any restaurant near here?
Repeat, Hugo, please.
I am hungry. Is there any restaurant near here?
Yes, yes, there is, Hugo. I have one. I have one between the back or and bookstore.
Okay, really, let's go. But I don't have gas in my car. Are there any gas station?
Yes, there is. There are. Uh, uh, there are in the parking lot.
Really? That's great. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Okay. Very good job. Very good. Okay. Just one observation. When you ask him about the restaurant, David said, I have one. Okay, when you say I have one, the restaurant is your restaurant, right? So you have money. So we say there is one. Okay, there is one. Okay. Ahora bien, para la pregunta plural, usted preguntó, are there any gas stations, ¿verdad? Entonces, David le quiso decir si hay, en una forma plural. Sí se puede. Usted dice, yes, there are. Ok. Usted dice sí, sí hay, en una forma plural, porque usted sabe que hay 2, 3 gas stations. Ok. Now, para ser específico, yo le digo, sí, sí hay, sí hay. Hay una a la par del banco, por ejemplo. Hay una a la par del banco. ¿Cómo decimos hay una? We say, there is one a la par del banco.
Next to the bank.
Ok. Pueden haber 10, 20 gas stations, pero la persona necesita una, ¿verdad? Entonces usted le da una referencia y le dice, yes, there are. There is one. Empezamos otra idea. There is one next to the bank. Yes? Are we okay?
Okay.
Yes? Okay, very good, very good. Now, let's see. Anna and Javier, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello, Anna. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, Javier?
I am great. Excuse me, Anna. Are there banks in the city?
Yes, there are. There are two banks in the city. The first one, there is next to China's restaurant. And the second one, that is near music store, Javier.
Thank you, Anna. Goodbye.
See you.
Great job, very good. Okay, just one observation. When Ana says the first one and the second one, that's great. It's like saying el primero, el segundo. The first one, repeat, the first one.
The first one.
And then she said the second one, el segundo, the second one. Okay,
the
now,
second one.
After you say the first one or the second one, you just say is. So the first one is. Repeat it with me. The first one is.
The first one is.
Next to the Chinese restaurant.
Ya no se ocupa there.
No, porque there es ahí, ahí, ¿verdad? Entonces, aquí usted está diciendo, el primero está en o está a la par de, entonces es igual que en español. The first one is next to the Chinese restaurant, anywhere. Yes? Okay.
Okay.
Very good,
Yes.
very good, very good job, very good. Now, let's see. We're missing Christian Lopez and Herbert Candrai. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, Christian Lopez.
Hi, Herbert.
Christian, excuse me, is there a payphone?
Yes, there is. There is one between a music store and a bank.
Okay.
Okay. You know if there is near bookstore?
Yes, there is in front of parking lot.
Okay, thank you, Herbert.
Okay. Ciao, Christian.
Bye.
Very good conversation. Okay, just one observation. Repeat the question with me. Do you know if there is,
Do you know if there is
any bookstore?
any bookstore?
¿Por qué esta pregunta tiene otra estructura? Porque empezamos con do you know. Es como cuando se le dice, ¿y sabes si hay? ¿Y sabes si? Entonces, aquí ya estamos cambiando la forma de preguntar. Entonces, vamos a empezar con do you know if? If es un condicional. Es el sí condicional de nosotros. Sí. Entonces, hay una condición. Si hay. Ok. Do you know if there is any bookstore? Ok. Repeat it one more time. Do you know if?
Do you know if
There is any bookstore, and then the rest of the information.
there is
right?
any bookstore?
Very good. Okay. The last group, here we go. We go with Fernando and Jorge. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, Jorge.
Hi, Fernando.
How are you?
I'm great, Fernando. You?
I'm fine. Sleep. Jorge.
Tell me.
Is there a hotel in the city?
No, there isn't, Fernando.
Oh, okay. No. Oh, is there a movie theater in the city?
Yes, there is. The movie theater is in front of grocery store.
Okay, very good. I go movie today. Yeah. George, are there grocery store in the city?
Yes, there are, Fernando. There are 2 grocery stores in the city.
Okay, very good. Thank you, George. See you later.
See you later.
Good job.
Bye, Fernando.
Bye-bye.
Very good, very good. Okay, just make sure that you pronounce plural nouns. Grocery stores, right? Plural.
Yeah.
Okay.
Grocery stores.
Very good job, everybody. Very good. Do you have questions about today's session? No? No questions? Good. Homework for tomorrow. Homework. Okay. Now, take a look at the instructions. This is good practice for you. This is not evaluated. No, this is just practice. Okay. Now, what's your practice for tomorrow? Instructions. Okay. Draw. Repeat with me. Draw.
Draw.
Draw. Okay. Dibujar. Or bring a picture. Bring a picture of a city map. Repeat with me. Or bring a picture of a city map. Okay. And describe it. Repeat it with me and describe it.
And describe
it.
Using there is
And describe it.
There is.
and there are. Okay. Are you ready? Yes? Did you take your notes? For example, tomorrow you come and you say, okay, this is my city map. Okay, so I'm going to say, there is a Chinese restaurant. There is a swimming pool. There are 2 grocery stores. Are we okay? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, yes. And there is a music store. There is a payphone. There is a park. There are 2 restaurants. Yes? Are we okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what you're going to do for tomorrow. So you can draw your map or you can bring a picture. Traen una foto from the internet or you draw it o lo dibujan. You decide, okay? Now, you have to display the picture from your screen, okay? La pueden enseñar desde su pantalla o me la mandan y luego yo la enseño desde la mía. Okay, so you decide. Are you ready to go back to sleep? No?
Yes. For tomorrow.
Yes, this is for tomorrow's class. Okay, so attendance. Hector Alvarado.
Present.
Okay, Herbert Candrai. Herbert.
Present.
Ana Domínguez. Very good. Ana Domínguez. Javier Ernesto.
Present.
Cristian Fuentes.
Present.
Very good. Rubén García.
Present.
David Hernández.
Luquito bonito.
Hugo Elizama. Okay.
¿Qué pasó,
Cristian
cosita
López.
bella?
Okay.
¿Qué pasó, cosita? Ay, qué lindo usted.
Habla, Fernando.
Fernando.
Me le han dejado los bigotes a usted.
Fernando.
Todo, chacho.
Okay, he's there.
Apaga el micrófono, Candray.
He's happy with his grandchildren. Okay, Jorge Ramirez.
Present.
And you are Christian Lopez, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, Jorge Ramirez.
Present.
Okay. Fabricio Rivera.
Present.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Oh, not the grandchildren. It's your dog. I thought you were talking to your grandchildren. Pensé que con los nietos. It's with your dog you're talking to. Okay, very good.
Una vez si Candray tiene como 20 años, teacher.
Very young. Yes.
Ya lo hizo abuelo.
Do you have grandchildren, Herbert? Do you have grandchildren?
No.
No, you don't.
No,
okay.
no.
Oh, okay. Not yet. Wait. Okay.
In December.
In December. All right.
Uh-huh.
That's great. All right, guys. Thank you for joining class with me today. See you tomorrow. Take care.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Au revoir. Au revoir. À demain.
Bye.
Bye.